Hello, EDLS 700 candidates. Dr. Palermo with a little bit of a message on some strategic leadership stuff for this week. It is week 6, and as you read on, chapter 2 in strategic leadership is about thinking strategically. I hope that some of the stuff is repetitious, but also resonates with you and helps in your thinking about the bigger vision of a district leadership. It's about vision. Page 254 in the chapter says it's about mindsets. So again, I hope that some of this stuff is resonating with you and that you're hearing some of the same language from different sources. Mindsets, vision, leading with head and heart is something else that resonated in this chapter for me. Hughes and the others talk about the SWOT analysis. So strategic thinking requires synthesis. It's non-linear, it's visual, it's implicit, engages the heart as well as the head. And again, I think this is stuff that I heard from you in our first face-to-face meeting. So again, I hope this is resonating and making sense for you. There are some activities, there's some checklists on page 69. The words for thought processes is something that I think we'll tackle when we're in class next time. So there's some good stuff that I'm going to pull from chapter 2 to deepen our thinking about strategic thinking and action. I did ask you to rewrite or to think a little more deeply about an elevator speech. How's that different from your philosophy statement? Well, maybe it gets a little deeper into the strategic thinking and focus on your organization strategy for reaching your goals. So maybe try an elevator speech. It's a little different, but maybe the same as your, maybe it's a short version of your philosophy statement. I hope that you are reading your books, your individual leadership textbooks, and preparing a PowerPoint presentation or some sort of overview for us. If you were to engage us and to deepen our understanding and learning around your book, that would be a great thing. But at least help us to see a different picture on leadership, and maybe give us a book talk that would encourage us to add something else to our bookshelf. I also want you to start to think about APA basics. I've pinched this presentation from a colleague, an adjunct named Dr. Jenny Sabin, who starts off her EDCI 700 crew with some APA basics. I'd like you to look at that, and I'm probably going to say something more when we meet face-to-face about using your annotated bibliography assignment in order to get started on some of your dissertation work. As you're reading widely in your topic of interest, start to take some notes using APA style that will build a bibliography, but also build your notes and thinking about your dissertation topic. I'll show you how to do that, but the PowerPoint here does that as well, and take a look at it, see if some of that stuff will make sense to you as you start to build your bibliography and your annotated bibliography into chapters 1 and 2 of your dissertation. We'll talk some more about how that might work. Work on your book talk presentations. The calendar is here. Make sure you're signed up. I think everyone is. And check out the APA basics. That's about it for this week. Have a great week. Talk to you strategically again soon.